In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a sales invoice as paid in Zoho Books to begin. Log in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Sales from there. Select Invoices. This will open your invoice list, where you can view all the sales invoices created in your account. Next, find the specific invoice you want to update and click on it to open the full invoice details. Make sure you are selecting the correct invoice before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple customers or have several invoices with similar amounts. Once the invoice is open, look for the Record Payment button. In most cases, you'll find this near the top right corner of the invoice screen, although it may also appear within the invoice details depending on your layout. Click that button to open the payment entry window. In the payment pop-up, you will need to fill in the payment information carefully. Start with amount received. Here, enter the exact amount the customer paid. This could be the full invoice balance if they paid everything at once, or a partial amount if they only paid part of the total. Entering the correct amount is essential because Zoho Books will use this to determine whether the invoice is fully paid or only partially paid. After that, choose the payment date. This should reflect the actual date the payment was made, which is especially helpful for accurate bookkeeping and reporting. Next, select the payment mode. Choose the method the customer used, such as bank transfer, cash, or check. This helps you maintain clean financial records and makes it easier to review payment history later. Then, go to Deposit To and select the account where the money should be recorded. This might be your bank account or an undeposited funds account, depending on how you manage incoming payments. If needed, you can also add notes or attach files. This is useful for storing a payment reference, confirmation details, or a receipt for future reference. Once everything looks correct, click Record Payment or Save as Paid. Zoho Books will immediately update the invoice status. If the full amount was entered, the invoice will show as paid. If only part of the balance was entered, the status will change to partially paid. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.